In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Hotmail inbox. If your Hotmail inbox is overflowing, don't worry. Hotmail now runs on Outlook.com and the cleanup tools are straightforward. We'll walk through signing in, removing individual emails, and clearing out a bunch at once so your inbox feels fresh and manageable again. Start by heading to the official Outlook sign-in page in your web browser. You can search for Outlook Sign In if that's easiest. When you arrive, click Sign In. Enter your Microsoft account details and follow any prompts you're given. If you see a list of accounts, simply choose the correct one to continue. After a moment, your inbox will load. To delete a single message, click the email you want to remove so it opens in the reading pane. At the top of the page, you'll see a delete button in the toolbar. Click it, and that message moves to deleted items. This is helpful to know because if you make a mistake, you can still restore it from there. If you prefer to delete without opening the email, you can do that directly from the message list. Hover over the message and look for the small trash can icon. Click that, and the email is removed immediately. This is a quick way to tidy up promotional or obvious spam messages as you scan down the list. To remove several messages at once, select them from the message list first. On the left of each email, you'll see a circle with the sender's initials or a checkbox area. Click that circle to select an email, select as many as you need, and when you're ready, click Delete in the top toolbar to remove them in one go. If you need to clear almost everything in view, use the Select All option at the top of the message list. This highlights all the emails currently shown, and then you can click Delete to move them all to deleted items. Keep in mind that Select All typically applies to what's filtered or visible, so it's a good idea to scan the list before committing, especially if you're working with important messages. A couple of quick tips as you go. Deleted emails aren't gone forever right away. They live in deleted items for a while, so you can recover them if needed. And if you're cleaning up newsletters or specific senders, try the search bar first to group similar emails, then select and delete them together for a faster sweep. That's it. Sign in, delete individually, use the trash icon for quick actions, select messages for batch deletion, or select all when you need a bigger cleanup. Your Hotmail inbox should now be noticeably lighter and easier to manage.